5 Etsy digital products that sell. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to show you what are the best 5 digital products that you can sell on Etsy today and start selling and earning. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is simply come to etsy.com. Etsy is an amazing platform that allows you to sell all kind of different products. Basically, we sell jewelry or clothing, home and living, shoes, and wedding and party collectibles and handcrafts on Etsy. But there is another niche that does pretty well on Etsy, and that is selling digital products. If you do not have any idea about digital products, well, digital products are products that are being sold digitally and you don't have to sell them physically. There is no shipment involved. All you have to do is just create these products online, and then people simply download them once they buy them from you. So you might be wondering, what are some digital products that you can sell on Etsy? So let's start with 5 Etsy digital products that can sell in 2022. The first product that you can sell on Etsy is going to be the digital planners. Digital planners do pretty well on Etsy. What is a digital planner? Well, a digital planner simply means these templates that you can create online through Canva or any other platform that you are using. These planners are to plan your budget, your work planning, or maybe students use them for their study plan as well. So you can sell these planners. Each planner has its own kind of like aesthetic look. You can create these very creative ones. If you are already using a planner, you can start selling them on Etsy today. So you can sell your planner for $13, $10. Then we have few for $6. Then we have $24. So it depends on the planner. Few are actually very expensive. This one is $65, and then this one is $39. This one is $39 as well. So you can simply create this digital planner and you can sell them on Etsy. Many people are doing that, and you can see that it has the audience. There are many reviews. This one has 1,000 reviews. This one has 2,000 reviews. This one has 5,000 reviews. So people are looking for these planners to plan their work and study. So you can simply create this digital product and sell them on Etsy right now and start earning. The next product is going to be the wedding invitation templates. This is one of the digital product that do pretty well. What you have to do is you simply create these wedding invitation templates. Nowadays, the invitations are done digitally. People invite their friends and family digitally and through online, so they need these cards. So what you can do is you can create these templates that are completely customizable. So once a person buys these from you, they simply customize it, and they customize their name. These are totally editable, and they edit them out and simply edit their names, and then their own template is created. So you can simply go ahead and create these wedding invitation templates and you can sell them on Etsy. You can see right here we have a lot of wedding invitation templates. You can see right here this one is for $10, this one is $14, then we have $2, this one is actually $350, then this one is $15, this one is $4, then this one is $300, this one is $175 to $25. So these are the different wedding invitations that you can actually create for people, and you can see right here they have a lot of different reviews. For example, this one has 300 reviews, this one has 2,000 reviews, this one has 4,000, this one has 1,000. So you can simply go ahead and create this wedding invitation template right now, which is a digital product, and start selling on Etsy today. The next product that you can sell on Etsy is going to be the digital portraits. So if you are digital artist, you are a graphic designer, then you can do this. This niche is for you. So what happens is you create these digital portraits for people. So this can be any portrait, and this is actually a digital product, because what happens is you simply create these different portraits digitally. You don't have to actually sell them physically, and you simply create these customizable portraits for people, and then they simply download it. So every artist has their own rate, and you can just simply go ahead and create them. So this is actually pretty amazing, because you can create these cartoon type portraits. Then we have these different, custom art where people actually draw you. Then they have these kind of, like, this one is a family portrait that you can do. This one is actually a wedding portrait. You simply send them your picture and then they simply create your portrait for you. And some actually have their timing as well, like this one will be ready in just 6 hours, so that is actually pretty amazing. You can see right here people are doing this for a lot of money. For example, this one is $22, this one is $11, this one is $30, this one is $27, and they have a lot of different reviews as well. People love to do that. People love to kind of like get their own customized portrait. And you can see right here that the delivery is free because these are digital products and they don't charge any delivery fee. So you can just simply go ahead and start selling these digital portraits right now and start making money on Etsy. The next digital product that you can sell on Etsy is going to be the announcement template. This is kind of like very similar to the wedding invitation one. So what happens is that nowadays people do their announcement on social media and they do that digitally through different groups. So what happens is you can create these templates for different people. For example, it can be a gender reveal, it can be a pregnancy announcement, it can be an engagement announcement, a wedding announcement, any announcement they want to do. These templates are completely customizable. So what you will do is, if you are a good creator, if you know how to use these editing apps, you can create these amazing announcement templates for people. There are funeral invites as well. You can also create these funeral announcements, and these are all different templates that you have to create. So this is actually pretty amazing niche, and it does pretty well because a lot of people are always looking for different announcement templates. And you can see right here, this is actually one of the niches that most people don't know about, but this does pretty well. You can see right here the reviews are amazing. Like this one has 2,000 reviews, this one has 1,000, 3,000. Then if I scroll down, 5,000 reviews, this one has 3,000 reviews. And you can sell these different announcement templates for your own rate, but these actually lie from $8 to $50. You can see right here, this one is $38, this one is $9. And if I scroll down, this one is $10, this one is nine, this one is $6. So you can simply go ahead and create these announcement templates, which is a digital product, and you can start selling them on Etsy today. The next product you can sell on Etsy is going to be the Lightroom presets. So if you are an editor, if you are a photographer and you're familiar with Lightroom, then you know what I am talking about. So what happens is that these are different presets, and you know that everybody loves to take these amazing photos that are with good editing, and they like to create these amazing Instagram feed with a theme. So you can actually go ahead and sell these presets. You can create these amazing presets with Lightroom if you know editing, and you will simply sell them right here on Etsy. This is one of the products that does pretty well because people are always looking for these different presets. Like this one is an influencer preset, so of course an influencer will love to buy this one. Then they have the natural one. Each preset has its own name, so you can simply go ahead and create these presets on Etsy. You can sell them for $7, $9, or maybe $2, $5, $18. Then we have $6. So these are actually pretty amazing. You can create them for free and you can simply sell them on Etsy. A lot of people love to buy these presets. I personally buy these presets as well. So if you are an editor, if you know how to create presets, then you can start selling them on Etsy today and start earning. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know top 5 digital products that you can sell on Etsy. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.